Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever made a video or presentation and thought, why does my text appear and disappear too fast? Then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to set the duration of your text so it appears on screen for the perfect amount of time, whether you're creating a YouTube intro, a presentation slide, or a social media post. This is your full guide, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to control your text timing like a pro. Let's get started. Select your text first. Go to your design or video editing workspace, for example, Canva or whichever platform you're using. Now, click on the text element you want to adjust. This step is super important because your edits will only apply to the selected text. Once selected, you'll notice options or a timeline at the bottom. That's where all the magic happens. Adjust duration by dragging. With your text selected, you'll see handles or edges on the text bar within the timeline. To make your text stay longer on the screen, click and drag the edge to the right. If you want it to appear briefly, for example, just a quick title or a short pop-up, drag it to the left to shorten the duration. You'll notice how simple it is to control. The farther you drag, the longer the text remains visible. Use visual aids for accuracy. Now, as you adjust, keep an eye on the time indicators or guidelines that appear while dragging. These are incredibly useful because they show you exactly how long your text will be visible, down to the second. If you're syncing your text with background music or voiceover, these guides make sure your timing feels seamless and professional. Preview and refine. Once you've set the duration, hit the preview button to see how it looks in motion. Watch carefully. Does the text stay on screen long enough to be read comfortably? If it feels too quick or too slow, make small adjustments until it flows perfectly with your video or audio. Remember, a smooth and readable timing makes your content look polished and engaging. And that's it. You've just learned how to set the duration of your text quickly and accurately in design tools. This simple step can instantly level up the professionalism of your videos and presentations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I've got more quick, practical tutorials coming your way every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.